Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese kunafa at home. First, take 500 grams of kunafa dough and shred it into small pieces. Melt 200 grams of unsalted butter until it's liquid. Pour the melted butter over the shredded dough. Use your hands to gently mix the butter into the dough, ensuring every strand is coated evenly. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect golden crispness. Next, prepare your baking pan. Use a 10-inch round pan and lightly grease it. Press half of the buttered kunafa dough firmly into the bottom of the pan, creating an even layer. Then, spread 300 grams of sweet cheese, like nabalsi or akawi, over the dough, leaving a small border. Finally, gently cover the cheese layer with the remaining kunafa dough, pressing lightly. Now it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the kunafa in the preheated oven and bake for about 30 minutes or until the top and sides turn a beautiful golden brown. Keep an eye on it to prevent burning. Once baked, carefully remove it from the oven. Let it cool for just a minute, then invert the kunafa onto a large serving plate. While the kunafa bakes, prepare the simple syrup. Combine 2 cups of sugar with 1 cup of water in a saucepan and bring to a boil. Simmer for 5 minutes, then remove from heat. Once the kunafa is out of the oven and inverted, immediately pour the warm syrup generously over the hot kunafa. Garnish with crushed pistachios and serve this delicious dessert warm. Enjoy your homemade kunafa.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.